Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today's update here for Cosmos. We are trading at $9.45 on a day chart. You guys, we can see that we've been bouncing from our support number of $8.95 here, or typically around this range. It is going to be very crucial as the price is coming down and we are continuously making a lot of higher lows. So compared to all of these other peaks, price is moving fairly on the downside here, and it could be really alarming if we were to actually break through the $8.95, because ultimately, where is the bottom? Essentially, this is normally where we want to see the bottom, and then a reversal coming up, retracing closer to our 20 moving average. But all of our averages is all the way up here, and we are maintaining well below it in the last couple of weeks here. So we're going to take a look more in immediate short term of 2 hours and take a look at some of the characteristics of our candlestick. So 2-hour time frame we are currently at. Again, here is our support number. We want to make sure that we're maintaining the $8.95 because it is going to be crucial as there is no bottom, or we may create even lower lows here for Atom of this year. So as we are coming back down, retracing to 50 or close to 50% of our fib chart of $9.33, you guys can see that we're above our 50 moving average, which is this orange line here. The white line is our 20 moving average, and we saw a crossover at this peak here as RSI raced all the way up to 67%. At this peak here, we can see that it was at the middle part of our trend line of our MACD indicator. So the last couple of hours, we can see we've seen a crossover occur at this candlestick at the very bottom here. And this candlestick, if you guys are not familiar with it, is a hammer candlestick observed at the very bottom, can trigger a reversal of the trend itself. And we can see it closer to a few of our key indicators of our moving average. Not only that, we saw that crossover right here on June 6th. So earlier today, we saw this hammer candlestick at the very bottom, and the next candlestick we see is retraced more than 70% of the previous selling candlestick, which may trigger another reversal that's going to happen. And if we do see that reversal, then be prepared to see price come back up to the 78%. Now, 78% was a good cap off for a good resistance line. If we can see and scroll over to the right hand side, take a look at some of the candlesticks here, activity that was rejected roughly around the $9.58. So we are going to retest this area. Not only that, but we saw a few areas of yesterday, near the end of yesterday, capping off as this resistance line. So as price comes back up, this is going to be the number that we want to be able to break in order for price to come back and retrace up to here of $9.76. This is what we need overall, you guys, for Atom to be able to fully break through the overall bottom, because if we are coming closer to this area of support of $8.95, we're going to end up breaking it, as there's so many key areas and buyers are not waiting for the support area. If it's penetrating or coming close to support multiple times, they would want to wait to see if it does break it and if the sellers are going to push the price even further than that. So if we do come back up, and if we do see more than 70% of this candlestick, the last candlestick, achieving from the previous one, then we are going to have enough momentum to come back up here and retest this area as a resistance of $9.58. But in immediate short term here, we do not want to break through $9.33. If we do break through this area of support, then we're going to come back down and retrace $9.10 here. So that's my update for Cosmos, Atom, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe the channel, but I'll see you tomorrow.